love our sweet smartphones. But what if your smartphone suddenly won't start? First of all, it will drive you really crazy. And secondly, you must be wondering how to bring your phone back to life. So here are some steps that you can follow before sending your phone to a customer service center.
Step 1. Check if it is plugged in or not. Grab a power supply and make sure you actually have some battery before you proceed. Remember, before turning your phone again, let it charge for a few minutes and then continue. Step 2. Check if it is on but the screen isn't. There might be a possibility that your phone is actually on but the display isn't working. Check by turning it on and you should feel vibration or a beep sound. Step 3. Did you drop it or got it wet? If that is, then you need to take a shower with your phone. Just kidding. Just send it to the service center and get it repaired.
Step 4. Check if your battery is leaking or bloated. If your battery is removable, then just take it out and check for damages or leakages. If it is, then get a new battery and dispose the old one.
Step 5. Check if your charger or cable is broken. There might be a possibility that you have a damaged charger and maybe for this reason your phone is not charging. Step 6. Did it got buggy the last time it was alive and then died? If you notice some crashes, restarts or other weird things that shouldn't happen, then it should be a software issue. You can try resetting your phone or you can also try flashing new firmware.